What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Turbo, which has hit another red candlestick guys. It is down another 12%, currently trading at 0.007 cents. So as you guys can see, yes, it went all well for Turbo over the last few weeks, where it pumped up all the way up to nearly the 1 cent target. Since then, about a few days ago, it has started to hit red candles and it is slowly starting to drop down in value. And when it was pumping like crazy, I did warn you guys, do expect the crypto to take hits, red candles towards the end of May and early June, and that is exactly what's happened. So we're going to be going through what is next for Turbo. Can it potentially go for a breakout again over the next few weeks, or is it going to keep dropping in value? So we are going to be covering buyers and sellers point of view, looking at what is the best option right now. Is it to buy it, is it to sell it, or is it simply to hold on to it? And also looking at its short-term and long-term prediction in 2024. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and surprisingly, even after the dip that's taken place, the crypto is still trading in the top tier level, even though it has hit the resistance target twice earlier on in the week. It has managed to pump back up yesterday and still trade in the top tier level. But how long will that last? Two things can happen here. It can either pump back up, hitting a new all-time high, or it can literally just drop back down into the blue zone and into the dark green zone over the coming days and weeks, which I will be going through later on in the video. So for now, I'm just going to hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Turbo, which is here in purple at 0.004 cents. However, the crypto is trading at much higher value here in green, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. However, that also does mean that due to the huge difference between the two values here, the crypto may be slightly overvalued and may be in for a little bit of a dip, which I will be going through later on. So for now, let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction. Yes, when you look at them, they do look like they are going in a straight line. However, if you look closely enough, they are just about slanting towards the negative direction, looking slightly bearish, meaning an overall minimal drop in value is what is expected from Turbo over the next 12 to 14 hours. So by midday tomorrow, the crypto should be trading at slightly lower value than where it is at the moment, potentially dropping down just below 0.007 cents in value is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at, but again, nothing too crazy. Moving on to the hourly chart, next few days we're looking even more bearish now. As you guys can see, we can clearly see that the blue and the orange line are both looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected from Turbo over the next 7 to 8 days. So by the end of next week, the crypto should be trading at a lower value than where it is at the moment, which I also agree with due to the major pump that's taken place. However, do expect green days in between where the crypto is likely to go for a little bit of a pump. However, the red days are likely to overtake the green days, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected. Dropping down to around 0.005 cents in value is what I'm expecting Turbo to be trading at by the end of next week. Now, Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we're looking way too bullish. We got both the blue and the orange line looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction. Reason for that is the major pump that's taking place over the last few weeks. The crypto is expecting the crypto to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the coming weeks, which is clearly not the case. So by mid to late July 2024, Turbo should have taken more of a dip in value is what I'm expecting at the moment. I would say crash back down, however it will take a long time for it to get to that level. It will be a slow and steady drop in value, and I'm expecting it to drop back down to around 0.001 cent in value by late July, early August is what my expectations are. However, if you guys want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are currently trading in the top tier level right now. However, over the coming week, I'm expecting it to slowly drop back down into the blue zone and into the dark green zone here by mid to late June, potentially dropping down even further in July and August and heading back down into the red zone is what I'm expecting from Turbo over the long term, over the next 2 to 3 months. However, if there are any major changes to this, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale. Heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has dropped down by 40% in the last 24 hours, making it just over $197 million. Reason for the drop is clearly obvious. The crypto has also dipped down in value, so majority of the people are just holding back. They're not trading the crypto, and there's a lot of people panicking right now because they've bought into it when it was at its highest point, and right now that it's dropping in value, a lot of people are panicking. Even though I did warn you guys in my previous updates on Turbo, over the week it is still up 88% guys, and over the month it's still up 1,300%. so that in itself shows me how not sustainable the crypto is due to the major pump that's taking place in the space of about 3 weeks. It has gained an insane amount of value, so that, for me anyways, that is not sustainable. Let me know in the comment section down below how high you guys are expecting Turbo to go in 2024. I've seen a lot of comments saying he might hit 1 cent, 10 cents and so on, which I disagree with. Again, exact same reason as it's not sustainable. But let me know how high you guys are expecting this crypto to go in 2024. And on that note, I'm gonna end the video here guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.